Here's a quick joke for you, Alice. Did you hear the one about the woman who went into the immigration processing centre and was never seen again?
No, Andy, I didn't hear that one.
Boom. Set up punchline. That's, for those of you unfamiliar with it, the immigration processing centre is, of course, where so many of our guests go for a long...
You have arrived at Broca Tech, lead innovators in software and AI technology, founded by its CEO, Sky Larson, when she was just 25. See what our 404 friend has in mind.
I've got this.
This man could be funny.
Wait,
This can't be
what was that noise? I should invest in a good pair of eyes.
Nothing to report.
Make it stop!
Check out next area.
Brilliant, mate.
Who would send this?
Sierra 4-2, this is Control. An alarm...
I have all the blackmail data, and dear God, people are disgusting. I wonder how this family values politician will appreciate his S&M sessions on public display. Oh well, let's find out. Blackmail data is hereby leaked.
Brilliant.
Obviously, critical shortages are as much part of our daily lives, our society and our culture today as things like football, music and complaining about the weather used to be in the old days. And